Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you need to remove or replace your door lock switch, okay, the one that you lock and unlock the doors, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, guys, we make more than 200 videos. And why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money, let's say on a new switch, car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that for a really good price. So we're working here, guys, on a 2015 Dodge Dart now, GT, but doesn't matter if you have a GT or a regular Dodge Dart, the procedure should be the same. And let me show you where that switch is located quick. Okay, the switch I'm talking about is the one right here on the door, guys, okay? This switch. So quick thing, guys, okay, most cars, as you know, you have to remove the door panel to actually get to the switch. On this Dodge Dart, guys, okay, good news, you don't have to do any of that. Why? Because you can simply remove the switch, okay, by removing the whole assembly. But make sure you stay until the end because I want to show you something, guys. So all we need is now plastic panel removal tools. We'll have the link listed in the description of the video below. Okay, we go like that in an angle and we pry it out, guys. Perfect. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips that hold that thing in place. Go ahead, disconnect your wiring harness. Pretty simple. Okay, just press in, pull out, one there. Now, good news, guys, it's out. You can see, pretty simple, right? Bad news, okay, what's the bad news now? It comes with the whole assembly. So we have to replace the whole master window switch, guys, in order to, okay, for your door lock switch to work correctly again. Now, if you need to buy one, we have the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get one for a really good price and fast shipping. Also, we'll, guys, have the part numbers, okay, listed in the description of the video below, so you can see that as well if you need it. And make sure that yours is the same, because always double check your part number before you order one. But putting it together, practically it goes in reverse order. We took it apart, you connect the wires and you push it in. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.